Moorish wedding begins with a procession. First come the musicians playing shrill pipes and beating small drums like tambourines. Then come the bearded elders of the bride's family. Those are followed by a woman dressed in red and white striped cloth. Followed by a group of 8 men carrying a paper box on long poles. She waits until he arrives. She may have to wait for a long time. When he comes in, the two eat together alone while the members of the family wait outside, shrieking and sounding out loud music. This is the bride's one and only meal with her husband.
Don't and do's after the wedding.
It's not allowed. There must be no courtship before the marriage. The wife is not allowed to go outside without the husband's permission.
No visiting parents after the marriage.
Husband is not allowed. Only a maximum of 5 wives.
Tumingin ka sa camera.
Tumingin ka naman.
Uy, ang close.
Uy,
include mo si Casey.
Hello
Include
po.
mo si Casey.
Ay, amen.
Ang groom namin ay si Casey, tas yung babae ay si Alaysa.
Pupunta kami kila Alay.
Ako nga editor, tas ang cameraman namin ay si Glenn. Ulit. Casey, seryoso? Oy, ano yan, Casey? Ano yan? Golden eye? Joke lang, joke.
Ah, nagkalat si ate.
Uy, subukay na tayo.
Kayo magkalat. Alay na.
Umalis talaga eh. Huwag kang umalis.
Takbuhan na natin.
Wag na, matisit pa tayo.
Next na tayo.
Bye!
Wala po lang ano. Bye-bye, Alay. Kasama yan.